Most people believe wealth is impossible on minimum wage. They think money is something only high earners can grow. They assume survival leaves no room for building a future. That belief is understandable, but it is also the biggest trap. Because wealth is not built by income alone. It is built by behavior, decisions, and time. Minimum wage does not make wealth impossible. It makes it slower. And slow does not mean impossible. The real problem is not low income. The real problem is unmanaged income. Many people earning more live worse financially than those earning less. Because income without control creates illusion, not security. Building wealth on minimum wage starts with one brutal truth. You cannot out-earn your habits. If money leaks constantly, no raise will save you. The first shift is mental. You stop seeing money as something that disappears. You start seeing it as something that must be directed. Every dollar must have a job. Not emotionally, strategically. People on minimum wage usually feel powerless, like every expense controls them. Wealth building starts when you take control of small decisions. Tracking money is not about restriction. It is about awareness. When you know where every dollar goes, you regain power. Most people don't realize how much money disappears quietly. Subscriptions, impulse snacks, convenience spending, micro expenses that feel harmless but compound brutally. Cutting everything is not the answer. Cutting blindly creates burnout. Choosing intentionally creates freedom. You don't need to live miserably. You need to live deliberately. One powerful rule changes everything. Pay yourself first, even if it's $5, even if it feels pointless. Saving is not about amount. It's about identity. The moment you save consistently, you become someone who saves. That identity compounds. People wait to earn more before saving. That day rarely comes. Saving teaches discipline before money arrives. Another uncomfortable truth is this. You cannot save your way to wealth. You must eventually increase income. But you don't start by chasing big money. You start by increasing value. Skills are the fastest wealth tool available to low-income earners. Not degrees, not expensive courses. Practical skills. Skills that solve problems. Communication. Sales. Basic tech literacy. Content creation. Customer support. Operations. The internet rewards usefulness. You don't need to be the best. You need to be reliable. One skill can change income trajectory completely. Even a small side income matters. An extra $200 a month invested early beats waiting years for a big raise. Side income is not about hustle culture. It's about optionality. Options reduce fear. Fear keeps people trapped. Time is your biggest asset when money is small. Compounding needs time more than cash. Starting early on minimum wage beats starting late on high income. This is why investing matters, even in small amounts. People think investing requires large sums. It doesn't. Consistency matters more than size. Index funds. Low-cost investments. Simple strategies. You don't need complexity. You need patience. Someone investing $50 a month for decades can build real wealth. The key is staying invested, not chasing hype, not panicking during downturns. This is where mindset separates builders from quitters. Wealth grows quietly at first, so quietly that most people give up before results appear. Another critical factor is debt. Minimum wage plus bad debt is financial quicksand. High-interest debt destroys momentum. Paying off toxic debt is not exciting, but it is powerful. Every dollar freed from interest becomes future capital. Debt keeps you working for the past. Freedom lets you work for the future. Wealth builders prioritize eliminating bad debt early. They don't wait to feel rich. They clear obstacles first. Living below your means is not punishment. It is leverage. Margin creates breathing room. Breathing room creates opportunity. Opportunity creates growth. Many people on minimum wage try to look successful. This costs them actual success. Appearances delay progress. Nobody gets rich trying to impress strangers. Another important shift is environment. Your surroundings shape behavior. If everyone around you spends impulsively, saving feels lonely. If everyone complains but never acts, ambition feels uncomfortable. Wealth builders curate influence. They read differently. They listen differently. They think differently. Books, podcasts, educational content. This is why people like Warren Buffett emphasize learning over earning in early years. Knowledge compounds faster than money, and unlike money, knowledge cannot be taken away. Another overlooked factor is health. Poor health is expensive. Medical costs, lost productivity, low energy. Taking care of your body protects your future income. You don't need expensive routines, just consistency. Sleep, movement, basic nutrition. Energy is a wealth asset. Time management also matters. Scrolling steals hours quietly. Those hours could be invested in skill building. This is not about never resting. It's about conscious use of time. One focused hour a day can change a life over years. Minimum wage workers often believe wealth requires perfection. It doesn't. It requires direction. You will make mistakes. You will feel behind. You will doubt yourself. That's normal. Progress is not linear. Consistency beats motivation. Another powerful habit is automation. Automate savings. Automate bill payments. Automate investing. Remove emotion from routine decisions. This protects you from yourself. As income grows slowly, lifestyle should grow slower. Lifestyle inflation is the silent enemy of wealth. Every raise should strengthen your foundation, not your ego. Celebrate progress, but don't consume it. Another truth people avoid hearing. Wealth building on minimum wage requires patience. There is no shortcut, no viral trick, no overnight win. But there is certainty. Small actions repeated for years create unstoppable momentum. Most people quit because results are invisible early. Builders continue because they trust the process. The system rewards patience. Money is not just math. It's psychology. If you believe wealth is not for you, you'll sabotage progress. If you believe progress is possible, you'll find ways. You don't need perfect conditions. You need commitment. The goal is not to escape minimum wage overnight. The goal is to stop being stuck. Forward movement matters more than speed. One step at a time. Track money. Save something. Learn a skill. Increase income slightly. Invest early. Avoid bad debt. Stay patient. This formula is boring. That's why it works. Most people chase excitement. Wealth grows in silence. If you want more honest, practical videos about money, mindset, wealth building, and escaping financial stress without fake promises, subscribe to this channel right now. Because wealth is not about how much you earn. It's about what you build over time.